In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create signature and resize image in Outlook Signature. We'll cover both the new Outlook experience, including the web version, and Outlook Classic, so you can follow along with whichever version you use. Let's start with New Outlook. Open Outlook and create a new email message so you're in the modern Compose view. In the top right, click the gear icon to open Settings. From there, go to Accounts, then select Signatures. Click New or Add Signature. Give your signature a clear name so you can recognize it later, and then type your signature details in the editor. This is where you can add your name, title, and contact information. Use the toolbar to adjust font, color, alignment, and add any links you need, such as to your website or social pages. To include an image, place your cursor exactly where you want it to appear in the signature. Click the image or picture icon, which usually looks like a small photo or mountain symbol. Browse your computer, choose the image file, such as a company logo, and click Insert. If the image comes in too large or too small, right-click it and select Picture, then go to the Size tab. Adjust it to the best fit for your layout, or simply drag the corners to resize while keeping it proportional. When you're happy, click OK or Save to store the signature. Before you leave, use the drop-down menus to set this signature as the default for new messages and for replies and forwards if that's your preference. Test it by composing a new email to confirm everything looks right. Now for Outlook Classic. Open Outlook, go to File, then Options. In the Mail section, click Signatures under Compose Messages. Click New or Add Signature, name it, and type your signature text. Format it as needed with the toolbar so it's consistent with your branding. To add an image, place the cursor where it belongs and click the image or picture icon. Browse to your logo or image file and click Insert. Right-click the inserted image, choose Picture, then click the Size tab. Adjust the height and width values while keeping lock aspect ratio checked so the image doesn't stretch. Click OK. Set your defaults for new messages and replies or forwards using the drop-downs, then click OK again to save your changes. Finally, compose a new email to make sure the signature and image size appear exactly as intended. That's it. Clean, professional signatures with properly sized images in both versions of Outlook. Thanks for watching.